Hello again, this is Captain John, and today we're going to take a look at prominent objects that have been plotted on your nautical chart. You can use these for visual orientation, in particular when sailing in unfamiliar waters. Here you can see we have a chart of Portland Harbor in Maine. Let's take a look at the city of Portland Harbor. Remember this about prominent objects on all nautical charts. They are always plotted as a dot with a full circle and the description in all capital letters. These objects have been surveyed to a high degree of accuracy for safe navigation. Notice this tower to the southwest shows a small open circle, and the word tower is not in all capital letters. This means that this object has not been surveyed to the same accuracy as prominent objects. Use great caution if you decide to use this object for navigation. Now let's look over the prominent objects that we have available to us. The Fleet Building, which we already described, City Hall, a cathedral, a tower to the northeast, and a radio tower in the background. Now you know how to identify prominent objects on any chart in the world. Use prominent objects as your primary source of visual references to navigate with confidence. For more tips like these, visit skippertips.com. Sign up for our free tip of the week and find out more about the benefits of Skipper Tips membership.